If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is roofs, right? There's two basic types of roofs. So this house, that's an architectural shingle. You have about 40 years on that roof. That is a 3-tab roof, totally different. 3-tab roofs, they don't even make 3-tab shingles anymore. So when I look at a house and I see that, I already know the roof's at least 15 years. The other thing, see that little vent where the roof hits the peak? That's called a ridge vent. They didn't start doing ridge vents about 10 years ago. So any house you see has a ridge vent, you know that it's 10 years or newer. Legally, a roof can have 2 layers. If I had the purple one, I could lay over that with architectural shingles. I can't do 3 layers. It's an automatic code violation and it has to get ripped off. Why do people lay over it versus take it off? Because you save on labor taking the roof down and you don't have the cost of the dumpster to get rid of the material. The difference is $1,000 to $1,500. That's what you'll save.